你好，今天我教你们英语、中文和Tagalog. Hello, hello. 你好，你好. Again, 你好. In Tagalog, that is kumusta. 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 Thank you. Thank you. 谢谢，谢谢。In Tagalog, salamat. 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 You're welcome. You're welcome. 不客气，不客气。In Tagalog, walang anuman. Walang anuman. Walang anuman. Next, we have sorry. Sorry. 不好意思，不好意思。把无满hin. 把无满hin. 把无满hin. Last one we have it's okay. It's okay. 没关系，没关系。In Tagalog, that is ayos lang. Ayos lang. Ayos lang. Ng idiom,